Here's the mechatronic of 2013 S5. It's getting limp mode and a code for this solenoid shift 1 in 3 electrical malfunction. And I did a resistance check on the solenoid, and it's 4.7, which is dead on in spec. However, I'm doing another resistance check through the connector at the TCM. Basically, the current trace goes through the back of the solenoid, through the board, through that bundle of wires, and into the connector. And what's funny is that I can't really get a reading. Pin 7 and 8 on this board. Let me see. It's that blue wire and the left white wire. If you count, left to right, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So white wire, blue wire. And if I put my meter on those, let's see if I can rest my phone here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. It's a white wire. And then 8, it's a blue wire. I knew that was going to happen. There you go, white wire, blue wire. See how the meter just goes haywire? And as I move this connector, it kind of loses connection. Now I'm going to go at the back to white wire 7. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And blue wire 8. I'm getting 16.5 ohms, and now it cut off again. And it should be 4.7 ohms, which I am getting at the solenoid. But somewhere between there and there is a failing connection. I think these wires feel very, very brittle, very crispy, so I don't know if they're kind of breaking down inside there or here, or I don't know. But I'm going to put an updated circuit board. Notice the wire are different colors. So hopefully that'll fix it. Fingers crossed. We'll see.